TGIF, everybody. Today is Friday. No cancellation on the therapy appointment today. So I have that in about 20 minutes. So this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to jump on, see how everybody's Friday's going. I still have some things to get ready. See, I still got to do my hair. So I have for the week, it's been off and on, right? So my week is kind of going a little bit good, a little bit bad. I have printed out some recipes that I'm going to try to do over my days off this week. So look forward to the Cook With Me, and they're kind of yummy. So we'll see how it goes. Also, I am moving on. I am moving forward, everybody. So I'm anxious for this therapy appointment today, just to see what the therapist has to say and what direction that she tries to go with. Or it's actually a him this time. It's actually a he. So we'll see. I've never done this before. So this is my first experience. So just remember, it's never too old, right? You're never too old. Never too old to become single in a drop of a hat. Never too old to be living on your own again, experiencing all the things. Like, life is just, it's life is a challenge, you know? So, as my mother and grandmother used to say, my mother more, you weren't promised a rose garden, so Mama, I'm not in that rose garden, but I'm heading to it. So I am getting on with everything, and stick around, guys, because I'm back, right? And at this point, I was feeling sad. I was like crying. I was like, oh my God, my heart is broken. But you know what? It's okay. It's all good, because I'm good. I'm moving on, and I'm not gonna be looking for somebody right now. So it's time for me. Time to take that time for me. And you know what? Again, it's Pete's loss, not mine. You lost me. So go do what you gotta do with all the other people you gotta do it with, you know? Who knows? He's probably in several states. He's probably in Philly and North Carolina, Texas. Who knows? I bet the guy's even like Nebraska. Oh, who knows what this guy's doing? So I am single at the age of 56, working a full-time job. I'm struggling like you guys would not even believe, struggling financially. But you know what I'm not struggling in? And that is spirituality. So I have faith. I put all of my faith in God above, and that's where he's my guy. That's my go-to. So stick around. Let's see what God has in plan and in store for me, right? Let's make sure that I can stay out of God's way. So last week, I didn't do anything. I haven't done anything since all of this mess has taken over. Like, I have not weighed, I've not measured, I've not tracked. Like, if you could see my phone, you'd be like, why are you paying for this Weight Watchers app? But I am going, this weekend is it, guys. It is it. I am getting back. I am getting back with my exercise. I am getting back with my life, right? I'm taking the bull by the horns. Who knows where it's going to lead me? I am ready for my happy, and I am ready to put myself in front of all of everything, you know? If it's not working for me, I am not going to be trying to do something that doesn't work for me. So now I got to dig myself out of this hole that I'm in financially. I got to get it going. I pray to God every single day that he gives me means in order to be able to build my economics back up, right? So my life always revolves around a financial crisis, and it's been that way, and I'm done with that. So I am seeking and asking God for him to help provide for me and to show me the way to be able to provide and to show me how I can get out of this, right? So, and I'm like, I keep telling you guys, I am not a huge materialistic person. I am not asking for mansions. I am not asking for ranches. I am not asking for yachts. I just want a roof over my head. I want to be debt free. That is where I'm at. I want to be debt free. And I am leading on my Lord to be able to help me be able to come that way, right? Who knows what's going to happen in November and where the world is going, where the United States is going to be at. So I just want to be a little more secure than what I am right now when that time comes, and it's almost here. So I am focusing on work. I told you I had that interview. They told me that they're not going to know for at least another week or so. My boss is leaving on the 23rd. Hopefully he knows by then. So I don't even have a schedule past the 23rd that I am being able to work with right now. So anyway, that is where I'm at and what is in my mind today and what is on my heart today. So I am hoping that this therapy, I can be honest and open, and I can take that wall down, because that wall's getting built up, y'all. I am building that wall. So gotta protect me, gotta protect Kim. Also, I have so much to say, and like my brain just is like jarring it all over the place. Also, I need to get this pound off, right? I have to get the pound off. So I am hoping that this pound comes off quickly. And if I put my mind to it, I'm going to be able to. You see my water back here? So I have the water going. I need to flush my system. I need to get out all of the crap that I've been eating. Last night, I went and got ice cream, brought it home. But you know what? I didn't eat. It was like, you know, like those little pint things. I didn't eat all of it. I ate like half of it. So that was good, because like 2 weeks ago, I would eat the whole thing. So anyway, that is that. Sunday will be my cook with me. I'm always going to try to do that on Sunday. I am going to try to get up, go to church, get a schedule going, get things moving in the direction I want to get them moving into. And we'll see what happens with work. We'll see where that goes. If I become the manager or if I have a new manager, and I put it in God's hands. I have told him that if it's meant for me to be, they will make me the manager. They will give me the money that I want. If it's not meant for me, then they will either A, offer me the management but not give me the money, or B, they'll just bring in another manager. So again, whatever happens, happens, and I'm good with either or. So that just means that I know that what's in my mind is going to probably take place eventually, sooner than later, right? Also, I am just, I don't know. It's still kind of weird for me just to think how I wake up every single day, and who's here with me? Buddy. Buddy's with me. So with Buddy, I have him, which I am so thankful for, and I just have to try to remember that I am never alone. God is always with me, and that's what I have to remember right now. So everybody, I might add to this a little bit later. I don't know. Let you know how my therapy went. I don't know if anybody else has gone to a therapist just to try to get things off of their heart, out of their mind. But I hope so. And if you have, make a comment below. Let's all stick together, right? This is what it's all about, especially at our ages. You know, it's like, I think about it, 60 is right around the corner for me, and retirement's right around the corner for me, and all these things, but I'm not going to retire because I'm going to have to work till I die. Because I didn't set myself up. Why? Because I live with my heart and not with my brain. So therefore, look where I'm at right now. Lived with the heart, not the brain, and had somebody take complete advantage of me. But not here or there, you know. Pretty soon, I won't even remember his name. That's how it goes. That is how it goes, you know? You don't remember their names. So until that time comes, I'm getting stronger. I'm getting better. I was sad. Then I got a little angry. But now I'm getting to the point to where it's starting to be okay. And, you know, actually, I pray for this guy because he is so lost and so confused, and he is like, he needs help. He needs to seek God because he needs help. And I pray he finds it. I pray that he gets that and he's able to turn his life around, you know, because he doesn't have that much time left and he's in bad health. So when it's time to meet your maker, you really need to start thinking about not everything else in life. You know, when you leave here, you can't take money, you can't take objects, you can't take anything. So when it's time to go, I want to be close to God, and I want him to hold his hand out and be, come on, Kimberly Ann, let's go. So that is where I'm at in life. I just want to treat people with kindness, respect, and love. And in return, I want people to treat me with kindness, respect, and love. And that, if I can get that out of the rest of my life, be debt-free, not have to worry about bills, have a roof over my head, have a car to drive to work, have a job to go to, you know what? I will be a happy camper. And let's not add and get this weight off because that's going to help me out too, because that's going to make me feel better. So, and that's what this whole journey was literally for, was for me to feel better. So I have to get that going, because if I don't focus on it and if I do not continue to move forward with it, it's not going to work, right? So, you know, people talk about, I watched some videos this morning and everybody's talking about the tools that you need and different recipes to do and things like that. So if you're younger and you have a family, the recipe thing is definitely good. But when you're older like me and you're single, it's kind of like, I just am going to just start putting down my whole life, because when you're single, coming home and cooking every night, it's literally not going to happen unless you cook enough to where you can pull it out. So that part we already discussed last week, and that's what I have to focus on this week. So I'm going to do some crock pot meals this week so that I can make those trays. And I decided I'm going to put some in the freezer, so I'll make my own frozen food. But also, you know, eating out, going to restaurants, going this, doing that, those are all things. And there's sometimes that you just don't even want a meal. You just want something small and quick. I'm really not a big fan of the deli meats just because of the sodium and the processing that goes through with that. So I did do like a roast, and then I made some, and I didn't film it. I wished I would have. I used some sugar-free barbecue sauce. So I do have that in the refrigerator that I have been doing at lunchtime. So it's something different, and that's just it. You got to do something different. You have to. Otherwise, meats, potatoes, vegetables, a starch, that type of thing, great, but it all gets boring. And with me, sometimes I just want something quick and fast, especially when I'm at work. The water I am trying to do again today. Like I said, yesterday I did buy two diet sodas. So I really need to stop doing that. And just because of, I mean, each soda, like I could have bought a whole 12 pack for what I cost 2 sodas. I think it's like $2 and almost $3 for a soda now. So I have to start watching my finances really close because, like I said, I'm on that and I got to dig myself out and get going with that. All right, guys, I said this was going to be quick. I am at 15 minutes already, so I need to get gone. Have a great day. Happy Friday. Talk to you guys soon. Mwah! Bye.